welcome back to another Pancho's things. Alright, so today we're going to be trying to do some fishing. I'm going for actually white bass or crappie. The white bass has been slow bite apparently, but we'll try to catch some. Got some minnows. Let's see what happens. Alright, so I bought a bait caster, my third bait caster. It's an Abu Garcia Max Pro face bait caster. I still don't know how to use it, so let's see. Gotcha. Yeah, buddy. Oh, it's kind of small though. Oh yeah, it's tiny. You are tiny. gonna finish with the minnows. I only got a dozen, so I'm gonna go with the minnows and then I'm gonna switch. Small ones.
I feel like it's been like that all year for me.
Yeah, just nothing to keep.
Yeah.
And the water is warm now, so.
No, there's no. We got some rain. You know,
Yeah.
like there's no.
Like, yeah, like, I don't know. They don't want to play.
There you go.
Yeah, it seems like it. All right, brother. Oh, you too, man. Good luck. Oh, I got stolen. Oh no, not yet. There. Yeah, they're tiny. Super small. Tiny one. Like a fish. All right. Small, wow. All smalls. All right. Like a fish. It's kind of like you gotta get their attention, and once they get their attention and they smell, they follow it. Like, I think that there gotta be a hole there because they're kind of stuck on that corner there. There you go. Here we go. Oh. Yeah, it might be a drum. Oh, I can see him now. Hey, you keeper. Hey, you keeper, buddy. Yeah. Finally. There's another one that inhaled it. Oh yeah. You keeper. Finally. Oh, on the way back, I found another dead man in there. So now I got two. Yeah, this guy came on after a dead minnow. Yeah, I'm pretty sure if you dump a decent sized minnow down there, dude, like he's over. You have a couple of big ones in there.
They're not talking about hitting this. They're talking about, ooh, this is.
Whoa!
Uh-oh, let's go. What we doing here?
He's small, but he just took that thing. Oh yeah.
You rang the doorbell. That's a good noise sometimes.
Yeah.
Okay, and it's not a stick. Cause that's the oh,
What are you?
good one.
He's fight a lot, but
Champion.
he's small. Let's see if we can get you out of here unharmed.
Well, my fish not so rough because I got a piece of this gill on the hook. So the unharmed thing, when no animals were harmed. That wasn't my email. That one, yeah, that was something. But at the same time, you're pushing baskets.
Holy sh!
Ooh, he got it.
He got it, dude.
Oh, I'm gonna be late. Oh, I knew I wasn't gonna.
I'll pass it to you. I have it on the GoPro.
Oh, I'm gonna be late. Oh, I knew I wasn't gonna.
I'll pass it to you. I have it on the GoPro.
That.
I have it on the GoPro.
Oh, sweet. Because that was.
Dude, that is crazy.
That was horrifying. Hey, because I was like, where's my knife? I ain't lying. I'm about to jump in this water. I'll be like a turtle. Fuck that. After I just told my wife, I'm going, oh, that's like the regret. Like, fishing. I don't need to bullshit.
All right, guys, there you go. We end up with few. I think end up with like 6 or 7. So we end up with a few of them. The GoPro kind of started dying on me. I need to get a new anchor. The anchor that I have doesn't have enough juice to actually keep the GoPro running. So I gotta get either a couple of batteries or I need to get another anchor. But yeah, we end up with few. I met Courtney. Courtney, thank you so very much for sharing your minnows and teaching something about catfishing. And we're gonna be linking up soon here with Courtney and doing some fishing with him. So, but good way to go back. I'm still sore, guys. Like it's really sore. My teeth and my jaw it's not fun, but we're out here trying to make things happen. So there you have it. So thank you so very much for watching. Like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell so you can be notified every time that I learn a video, and I will see you in the next one. Pancho out.